Welcome! In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to change the silent notification sound for other messaging on Snapchat, so you never miss an important alert again. Sometimes, Snapchat's notifications can be a little tricky, especially when certain chats or alerts are set to silent by default. But with just a few quick changes in your phone settings, you can make sure you hear exactly the sound you want whenever those messages come in. First, unlock your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where you'll have access to all the app-specific controls you need. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the installed applications on your device. From there, look for Snapchat and give it a tap. This will open the settings specifically for Snapchat, showing you permissions, storage, and of course notification controls. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Inside, you'll see all the different types of alerts Snapchat can send. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This breaks down Snapchat's notifications into specific groups, like Snaps, Chats, Stories, and more. Here's where you'll make the change. Under Other Messaging, tap on Silent Notifications. This is the category that often gets overlooked, but it's important if you want to customize all your alerts. Once you're in there, tap on Sound. Now you'll see your available notification tones. Go ahead and choose the sound that feels right for you, whether it's something loud and attention-grabbing, or a softer tone that still stands out from the silence. After selecting your preferred sound, simply exit out of Settings. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. The next time you get a message that falls under Other Messaging in Snapchat, you'll hear the new tone you selected instead of complete silence. Customizing your notifications not only makes your phone more personal, but also ensures you stay on top of every chat, no matter how Snapchat categorizes it. Give it a try and enjoy never missing those hidden alerts again.